Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our travel channel. Today, we have something truly special for you, the ultimate guide to solo travel. If you've ever dreamed of embarking on an epic solo journey, then this video is for you. Switch to 1.5x for a faster viewing experience. We'll cover everything you need to know, from planning your trip to staying safe, all while having a blast. And we'll even share a fantastic natural weight loss supplement called Alpilean that will keep you feeling great during your travels. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1: Planning your solo trip. Before you set off on your solo adventure, it's essential to have a solid plan in place. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of crafting the perfect itinerary, choosing the right destinations, and finding the best accommodations that fit your budget. We'll also provide insider tips on how to save money and find the most authentic experiences. And don't forget, budget-friendly travel allows you to have more resources for unforgettable activities and immersing yourself in local culture. Segment 2: Budget-friendly solo travel. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean compromising on the quality of your experience. In this segment, we'll share expert tips on how to save money while traveling solo. By being mindful of your expenses, you'll have the flexibility to try new things, indulge in local cuisine, and even extend your trip. Remember, solo travel can be both enriching and affordable. Segment 3: Safety first. Safety is a top priority when traveling alone, and we've got your back. We'll share invaluable safety tips and precautions to ensure your journey is smooth and worry-free. From planning your routes to keeping your belongings secure, we'll equip you with the knowledge to navigate any situation confidently. By prioritizing safety, you'll be able to relax and fully enjoy your solo adventure. Now, let's dive into the Alpilean. Alpilean, a natural weight loss supplement, has been my go-to for the past few months. I've witnessed remarkable results since I started using it. With a combination of green tea extract, caffeine, and other natural ingredients, Alpilean effectively boosts metabolism and curbs appetite. If you're seeking a reliable and natural method to shed those extra pounds, I wholeheartedly recommend giving Alpilean a chance. Beyond its weight loss benefits, Alpilean aligns perfectly with the essence of solo travel. It isn't solely about exploring new destinations, it's a journey of self-discovery. It entails stepping outside of your comfort zone and surpassing your boundaries. With Alpilean by your side, you can trust it as a steadfast companion, supporting your weight loss endeavors while you immerse yourself in exhilarating experiences. Segment 4: Solo travel safety precautions. In this segment, we'll delve deeper into safety precautions to complement what we've discussed earlier. We'll provide strategies for staying alert in crowded areas, securing your belongings, and navigating nightlife safely. Remember, taking simple steps to protect yourself can make all the difference in ensuring a safe and enjoyable trip. Segment 5: Overcoming solo travel challenges. Solo travel can present its fair share of challenges, but fear not. In this segment, we'll tackle common hurdles like language barriers, homesickness, and navigating transportation in unfamiliar places. We'll equip you with practical strategies and insights to overcome these obstacles and make your solo adventure smooth sailing. Embrace the challenges, learn from them, and grow as a traveler. Segment 6: Embracing the solo experience. One of the most incredible aspects of solo travel is the opportunity to meet new people and create lifelong memories. In this segment, we'll guide you through strategies to make friends on the road, connect with fellow travelers, and engage with locals. By embracing the solo experience, you'll open yourself up to unforgettable encounters and meaningful connections. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay updated with our upcoming travel videos and discover more useful tips in the description section. Thank you for being a part of our travel community as we explore the world together. Segment 7: Immersing yourself in local culture. One of the most rewarding aspects of solo travel is immersing yourself in the local culture. we'll guide you through the art of cultural exploration, from attending festivals and events to trying traditional cuisine and learning a few local phrases. By engaging with the local culture, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the places you visit and create lasting memories. Segment 8: Taking time for yourself. Solo travel offers a unique opportunity for self-reflection and personal growth. In this segment, we'll emphasize the importance of taking time for yourself, whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply enjoying moments of solitude. Remember, your solo journey is not just about the destinations, it's also about discovering yourself and embracing your own company. Segment 9: Making the most of your solo adventure. Solo travel is all about self-discovery and personal growth. We'll delve into strategies to maximize your experience, including immersing yourself in local culture, trying new activities, and stepping out of your comfort zone. We'll also introduce Alpilean, a natural weight loss supplement that will help you maintain your energy levels and stay fit on your journey. Stay tuned for more information on this incredible product. Segment 10: Sustainable solo travel. As responsible travelers, it's essential to consider the impact we have on the environment and local communities. In this segment, we'll explore sustainable travel practices for solo adventurers, such as reducing plastic waste, supporting local businesses, and respecting cultural norms. Let's make a positive difference while exploring the world. Conclusion: inspiring and motivational. Congratulations, fellow travelers! You now possess the ultimate guide to solo travel. Remember, the world is your playground, waiting to be explored. So, grab your backpack, pack your courage, and set off on the adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget to check out Alpilean, the natural weight loss supplement we mentioned, to support your health goals while on the go. Until next time, safe travels and keep exploring.